Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to change screen lock on your XIAOMI 15T. Okay, so let's open settings, and here you want to scroll to section fingerprints, face data and screen lock, and now enter section screen lock. Now you'll be prompted to enter your current password. In my case this is pattern, and here you can see list of screen locks. So those are pattern, pin and password. So select your preferred new lock method. For example, it'll be pin, and on your screen you see a little message that that you have to remember your password. Tap got it, and now you can enter your password. So for example, it'll be something simple like this. I tap continue button, and then I want to re-enter that. In order to confirm it, tap OK button. And now when you lock your phone, you'll be asked to enter your new password or pin, so whatever that you set up. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.